Hello, my name is Kristen Schlick, and this is my EDMU 524 journal number 3. So I chose a 5-frame tell-about as a strategy. I selected this because children are able to use manipulatives and make choices as to where they want to put their markers, so it makes the interaction a little bit more pleasant for the kids as well as for the teacher. This 5-frame strategy is beneficial for a number of reasons. It enables children to see the markers and the amount of spaces that are empty. The children begin to use and see number patterns and number relationships. This strategy also introduces benchmarks, which will, when mastered, will allow children to make computations much quicker. So contextual problems are connected as closely as possible to the students' lives. So our book says that they are designed to anticipate and develop children's mathematical modeling of the real world. They have the potential to provide memorable imagery that can act as a touchstone for teachers and learners in building and discussing abstract concepts. The book also says a visual aid or actual student modeling of the story would also be effective strategies for English language learners and students with disabilities. So I think that's amazing. And an example that I could think of is a quick lesson daily on conceptual problems that would allow students to develop a foundation would be to have the children place a marker in an area to denote if they are having hot lunch that day. Each day we would count the number and write it on the board. Then we could either do an addition problem to solve for the number of children that may have brought their lunch and are absent, or take the number of children in the class and subtract the absent children, and then subtract again the children that brought their lunch and compare it to the number of hot lunches that we've added up to. The idea would be to write it out every day to practice contextual problems. And then when the students are challenged to learn this type of problem through lesson plans and curriculum, they will already have a foundation of existing knowledge. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day.